Now we're going to look at highest common factors. So highest common factor is actually a number that's smaller than the numbers you're given. So I'm going to show you how to find the highest common factor of 24 and 60. So this will be the biggest number that goes into both of them. Right? So it's not higher than 24 and 60 because it's a factor of 24 and 60. Now there are a couple of ways you can do this. If you're good at your times tables, you'll be able to break down the factors quite quickly. So the factors of 24 are 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. The factors of 60 are 1 times 60, perhaps I shouldn't really have done that, 2 times 30, 3 times 10, 4 times 15, and 5 times 12. So if we look for the highest number then that goes into both, then the highest number I can see is 12. So that is the highest common factor of 24 and 60. Now there is another way that you can do it. If you break 24 and 60 down into prime factors, this is a method that's good for harder numbers as well. So 24 equals 2 times 12 equals 2 times 3 times 4 equals 2 times 3 times 2 times 2. We'll put them in order. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. I won't write it as powers in this case though. Now 60 equals 2 times 30 equals 2 times 3 times 10 equals 2 times 3 times 2 times 5. I'll now put that in order. It's 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So they're written as products of primes. To get the highest common factor, underline numbers that are in both. And you'll see I've underlined 2 and 2 and 3. And if you multiply those numbers together, you will get the answer 12. So that second method is very good for larger numbers. So I'll go on to another one now. Let's see what the highest common factor between 36 and 90 is. So my 36 is 6 times 6, which is 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. And I can leave it like that for the moment. My 90 is, let's say, 3 times 30, which is 3 times 3 times 10, which is 3 times 3 times 2 times 5. And if we underline numbers that are in both, so we've got a 2 and a 2, we've got a 3 and a 3, and we've got another 3 and another 3. So if we multiply them together, 2 times 3 times 3 is 6 threes is 18. So 18 is the highest common factor of 30 and 90. 30 and 90. Okay, that's how to find highest common factor.